Hello everyone, SafeCircleGlobal is an online organization to provide education, information, training and consultancy on occupational health and safety. I am your Occupational Health and Safety Management System trainer. I will be providing tutorials on OH&S management system, how it is established, implemented and maintained. An OH&S management system is a framework that an organization uses to manage its OH&S risks and opportunities, prevent work-related injury and ill health, and continually improve its OH&S performance. It includes policies, procedures, and processes for identifying hazards and risks associated with the organization's activities, establishing controls to manage those hazards and risks, training employees on their roles and responsibilities related to OH&S.